Is your computer stuck on a boot error screen? Maybe it says your PC needs to be repaired, but just keeps restarting without loading Windows. Don't worry, you don't need to reinstall Windows or lose your files. In this video, I'll show you how to fix boot errors step by step using a free tool called Hirens BootCD PE. Hirens BootCD PE is a lightweight recovery environment based on Windows 11 PE. It comes with tons of tools to flex boot records, recover data, check disk health, and more. Today we'll focus on repairing boot-related issues. Step 1. Create a bootable USB. Since your PC isn't working, use another computer to prepare the USB. Open a browser and search for Hirens BootCD PE download. Download the latest ISO file, around 3 gigabytes. Next, download Rufus, a free utility for creating bootable drives. Insert an empty USB stick. In Rufus, select your USB drive, choose the Hirens ISO, and click Start. Once done, you'll have a bootable USB ready. Step 2. Boot into Hirens BootCD PE. Insert the USB into the problem computer. Power it on and press the boot menu key. Select your USB drive and the system will load into Hirens boot environment. You'll see a familiar Windows-like desktop with several recovery tools. Step 3. Automatic repair, one-click fix. Let's try the easiest method first. Open the Start menu and launch Less Soft Windows Recovery. It will detect your Windows installation. Click OK. Choose One-Click Fix Crash Solution, then One-Click Fix. The tool will automatically scan and repair boot-related issues like boot files and BCD entries. Once it's done, shut down the PC, remove the USB, restart normally. If Windows boots successfully, congratulations, your problem is solved. Step 4. Manual repair, if needed. If the automatic fix didn't work, let's manually repair the boot system using BootICE and EasyBCD. Using BootICE, open BootICE from the Start menu. Select your system's internal hard drive. Click Process MBR. Choose Windows NT 6.x MBR. Then Install/config. This restores the master boot record for Windows 10/11. Next, click Process PBR. Choose Boot MGR boot record. Then Install config. This restores the partition boot record. Using EasyBCD. Open EasyBCD. Go to BCD Backup/Reich ? Click Recreate/Repair Boot Files. Then, under Add New Entry, select Type Windows Vista /7/8/10. Name Windows Drive. Click Add Entry. Go to Edit Boot menu and make sure Windows is set as the default entry. Click Save Settings. Now, shut down your PC, remove the USB, and restart. Windows should boot up normally without errors. Wrap up. And that's it. We first tried the automatic one-click repair, and if that didn't work, we used BootICE and EasyBCD to rebuild the MBR, PBR, and BCD. If this guide helped you fix your PC, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.